Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatimatul Johra, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear students, today I have come to take a class on the assignment number 2. How you will do assignment number 2, I will discuss about that. Now, you have done one assignment before, so you have gotten some idea about that, students. So let's start today's topic. See, this is assignment number 2 and it is lecture number 19. You have gotten this assignment in your Facebook group also. So here I have given it is and discussion class. It is on assignment number 2, that for the instruction of assignment number 2. Okay, here you have gotten it is on chapter 2 and there are the lesson of given lesson here 1 to 6. You have to do the assignment on this lesson, and here is the task is here. You have to do these things, make a list of these things, and here are some instruction are given here. Assignment criteria here you can see it. Now here I have given some instruction to make it easy to do the assignment. Here assignment is make a list of ibadat what can be done every day after waking up from morning until going to the bed at night. So the assignment task is this: you have to make a list of ibadat of everyday's work. Understand? So instruction is the concept of ibadat and its classification. Okay, you have to give the clear idea about these things. The concept of ibadat and its classification should be focused here in your everyday's work. The concept of holiness, it is included ablution, tayammum and bath. Okay, so discussion of it is you have to reflect these things in your writing, in your everyday's work, in your everyday's list of ibadat. Is that clear, students? Now discussed with the subject teacher, parents, religious knowledgeable person, supporting books and internet collaboration can be taken. You are allowed to take help from these things. You are allowed. Now assignment will be done on this lesson. This lesson or these things will be focused or related in your everyday's work. It should be definition of ibadat through your work, everyday's work. Suppose you have make a list of ibadat, and in this ibadat then you have to say first or at last you have to give the definition of ibadat, classification of ibadat, and from this classification of ibadat which one you have done, here you have to mention these things. Okay, then what is, so you have to describe all this. Okay, what is unholiness and the classification of unholiness with example. So you are staying away or stay away from this unholiness, or you are becoming holy from this unholiness. So you have to know this, the unholiness, what is unholiness and the classification of unholiness. Okay, with example. And then the here is the holiness. What is holiness? Classification of holiness. Why it is necessary? Okay, so through this work of list you have to explain these things also. Discuss about ablution. What is the purpose of ablution? When it is break, and what is the sunnat reason of ablution. So here most important is first and breaking cause of ablution. These are important. Tayammum also, purpose of tayammum, how you will do the tayammum, and when it will break. So when it is necessary for do tayammum, when you are allowed to do tayammum. Understand? It is it should be here like this. Discussion about bath. You know that you in your everyday routine work you have to take a bath once in a day. So when you have done these things, so in the list you have to discuss about the bath, that what is the purpose of bath, how you will bath, and why it is necessary. Understand, this is you should describe about this. All these lessons should be presented in your everyday list of ibadah. I think so that now it is clear to all of you. Now how you will do the assignment. Students have to make a list of ibadat works are done by him or her every day from morning to till night and describe the ibadat according to the selected lesson. Okay, now help, you are allowed to take this help internet supporting books, textbooks can be taken. Okay, subject teacher, parents, religious or knowledgeable person, you can discuss with them then how you will start the assignment and how it will end, and when you will give the point and when you will give the reference. Understand, so you can discuss about these things with this, or you can read your book with the help of your book, you can make it yourself. Now you are mature enough and you have done one assignment also, you are able, I think so, if you try. Students have to do the assignment themselves. Okay, that means you have to write it yourself. Okay, assignment must be written by your own hand. Okay, and the idea can be taken from others, but you have to write your own, from your own language, your own knowledge. Understand, individuality should be there, creativity should be there, then you will get excellent. So in this way, how the students will, if you do the assignment, then you will get excellent. And the submission date of assignment, you can see it is 24/6/2021. That means on Thursday you have to submit the assignment. So you have to submit the assignment on the exact date and you have to do it as early as possible. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood what is your work and how you will do the assignment. I think so that it will be helpful for you. That's why I have given this class to you. If you have any other question about that, you can ask me through messenger or on live class, or in your you can send me a message also. Okay, dear student, that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.